Hello, everyone. I want to talk to you today about error messages. And so the idea here is that we want to be able to understand and use error messages or problem solve when we get an error message. So the most basic error message you're going to get, and probably the first one you'll ever get, is when you end up trying to divide by zero. And as we all know, dividing by zero is not something that you can do. So I typed in here 8 divided by 0, and you will see that when I hit enter, it gives me the error message. Now there's a couple of important parts to the error message. Obviously, it tells you that it's an error. Then it tells you possibly what might be wrong. And there's a couple of options here. In this case, it's really obvious, and it says divide by 0. It also gives me a little description down here that I tried to divide by 0, and I can't do that. And then it gives me two options. I can quit, or I can go to the problem and see if I can fix it. And if it's an error that you made when you were typing something in, and we'll check out one of those here in a second, then you might be able to use the second option, the go to option, and fix that error. In this case, I can't fix that at all, and so I would just have to go ahead and quit doing that particular problem. Let's take a look at another one. What if I to take a square root of a negative number? Again, in Algebra 1, we can't take the square root of a negative number. So when I hit enter, again, it gives me an error message, and it tells me possibly what could be wrong. In this case, it's non-real answer. So one of the things you want to take a look at is, what is it trying to tell me in this error message? Does it try to tell me what the issue with my problem is? And then, again, you can use the quit or the go to function. Again, here, maybe I meant not to actually type that negative. It was just an accident. So I could use the go to function, and by arrowing down and hitting enter, and I could go through and take out that negative sign and then redo my problem. And then it would give me my correct answer. So in summary, remember, if you have an error message for whatever problem you happen to be doing, try to look and see what error it's trying to tell you you might do or might have, and then use the quit feature if you can't fix the error, and the go to feature if you can or want to try to fix the particular error that you have.